Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I wanted to show some before and after pictures of what we installed at this client's site. So we're going to be showing the pictures of before we button up the wireway, and then the video we'll talk about after we've finished it. So here we have two EG4 inverters, 6000 EXs, and we have 6 EG4 LifePower4 batteries. They're 48 volts each, and we have 6 of them for a total of 600 amp hours. And then we install them in the server rack cabinets on this site. So then you're going to see the before pictures when we have the wireway opened up and we have all the wires running, and then you see some other pictures of it, different shots from here. And then you're going to see the solar panel that's going to be installed at a later date. Hello and welcome back to Sleem Solar channel. I just wanted to update you on another install that we did. This install is two EG4s, 65 EXs with the EG4 batteries. As you can see, all the batteries are connected. They're daisy chained. And they're all wired up. So as you can see, the positives are from the top and the negatives are from the bottom here. So it's an even pull on all these batteries. So these are 48 volt nominal batteries, and there's 6 of them. So he has a total, this gentleman has a total of 600 amp hours. About 30 kilowatt of power. And of course we have the wireway here, where all the wires come up and go down in here, and in here is where the two breakers that comes with these systems. There are two, I believe they're 200 amp breakers. I believe they're like white, and they're on a DIN rail inside here. So it's all enclosed and out of the way, and you don't have to worry about anybody touching anything. So the AC, the batteries come up in here, both of them. Negative, positive, negative, positive, and you have the AC out power on both, a hot, a neutral, and a ground, and it comes down and it goes down through the flooring and actually goes outside, because I guess that's how this house was wired. Come out right there into that breaker panel, and that breaker panel is then wired into this one, which that hot 1, hot 2, neutral, and the ground. So now this is live. We did a couple tests, we ran a couple tests. So right now we don't have the solar in yet, because it has to be done at a later date, and it's going to be done over there. So as you can see, the client is clearing some more trees because we have to put it on 2 structures that go up, and then we'll work on getting the wires trenched and brought up inside through a hole that comes up through here, and then with that 2-inch space, the wires will then make its way over and come up and get connected right there. Just focus in there, right there. And the same thing here. BB1 and BB2. So right now we're halfway done, kinda. And these are 13,000 watts that is going to deliver to this house. So hopefully that should be plenty of power for what this client's going to need. So just wanted to do another video here showing you everything that's wired up. So when he's finished, he'll come back and let us know, and then we can start working on the panels outside to set up all that structure and wire it up and bring it in here and complete this. But right now, this part is completed and tested successfully. If you find this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell others about it. Okay? Until next video.